Hey everybody, I guess we need to move back a little bit more, Jada. Let me see how this look. Yeah, that look better, don't it? Hey everybody, it's me and Jada, and we eating tacos today. It's Saturday, and I decided to cook us some tacos because I didn't want to do too much cooking, but I wanted to eat something good too, so I decided to cook some tacos. And I cooked the tacos and I put them in the oven and melted cheese on something like the little something like Jack in the Box, because I love Jack in the Box. I don't ate that before, but we don't have one around here.
You had a Jack in the Box?
In Texas, when I stayed in Texas.
You used to stay in Texas?
Ooh, that was way before you were born, baby. That was way before you were born. But if you're watching this video right now, like and subscribe right now, because I'm pretty sure this is not your first time today. And tell a friend. Because we come back on the red because we love good food. And we love to eat, don't we, Jada? We love to eat good food. And see, Jada just like meat and cheese, but I like
salsa with tomato meat.
I like all that other stuff. I think I'm going to put the sour cream right here. Give me some sour cream. Right there, Jada. Get me some of this. I'm going to get some lettuce and tomato. Ooh. How everybody doing today? It is hot here, ain't it, Jada?
Yeah, it's almost close to the 90s.
It is 90. That's why your little friends ain't been over here today, because it's too hot to be outside playing. Okay, we're finna take a bite of this taco right here.
Same here.
Don't they look good? Homemade taco, baby.
Mine's good, just plain, everybody.
And greasy, too.
Mine's just plain, everybody.
How you like yours, Dave?
They're good.
Good. I seen my girl B video yesterday. She had hers the healthy way. I was gonna get some. I was gonna try the romaine legs, but we didn't have it at my grocery store. Then I came on my way home to get some stuff for some tacos. I probably have to go to Walmart and get it. And I didn't feel like going way out there to Walmart. But I want to try it. I was going to try it with this. I was going to eat these. But I was going to try it with this. Okay, we're back. I don't know why my thing tripping. What did it say now, Jay? Let me see. Oh, it said, okay, we got 14 minutes now. But I don't know why it stopped. I guess I got to delete some stuff out of there. But, yeah, my girl B had that food looking good yesterday. No tacos. I wanted to try it. I get a chance to try it because we eat tacos all the time, don't we, Jada? We probably have some next week. We eat tacos every week. We like tacos like we like chicken. What we saying? And Jada like tacos too. Cause she and be picky. That's why she went in that Chinese mukbang with us, because she don't like Chinese food. Daddy, give me a paper towel. Oh, there you go right there, baby. See if I got on the table? How I do that? I can eat. How many? I can eat like 3. I probably on a good day I can eat like 3. I could probably eat 4 tacos on a good day.
I could probably eat 72 tacos because these are too good.
They're good, baby. You through, Seth?
That my food.
You can make another one if you want to.
Oh, I can do that one right here.
Okay.
Just like Taco Bell.
Taco Bill.
It's good, ain't it? Homemade tacos.
Mom.
You must don't like living.
Huh?
That's right, Jalen. You know we'll take him.
Yeah. These tacos are so good.
That's good, Dan. Oh, Lord, let me stop. Good. Remind me so much of Jack in the Box.
They have tacos?
Except Jack in the Box don't put no nothing but meat and cheese on there. Oh, this is the best drink. It's so good. I guess we'll watch a little TV. I know what I'm gonna watch tonight.
Oh no.
Well,
Because every time or every day, you have another show on.
yeah, I got one coming on tonight. The last episode of
Little Women.
Now it's the last hours. The last hours of Natalie Cole. I'm gonna watch that tonight. Whitney Houston on right now. So I'm gonna watch
She's dead?
yeah, she did. That's a wrap for me. So if y'all get hungry, you just gonna have to go up in there and make it happen. Cause I am officially off the clock. I am off the clock.
And by the way,
I don't know what y'all missing. Huh, Jada?
Oh, by the way, guys, I've been reading you guys' comments, and it said, why isn't Jada in the video?
What does it say?
It said, put Jada back in your textbook page.
Oh, Lord. How that make you feel?
I make it feel, man, your friends must really like me. So now I'm back, and I will be in the next one with my mom.
Tell them a little about yourself.
Well, I am a third grader, and I am an AB honor roller. And I like PE. I lasted about an hour in dodgeball.
Yeah, that's good, baby.
While my friend Jackson Roberts lasted about 5 seconds.
He got tired fast.
Yeah. Somebody touched him on the arm and he was completely out.
You ready for school to be out?
Yeah.
I'm not. I'm not. Now you gonna be wearing me. Yes, you are, Jada. You gonna be wearing me every day. Ooh, that was good. My stomach feels so good. How about you, Jada? Shout out to B Loves to cook and eat. That's my girl right there. I know you somewhere eating good. Dipping the
and jabbing.
dipping the king crab leg. Stir it around in that garlic butter for me. I wish it was me. I don't eat 3 tacos, but if somebody brought me some king crab legs right now, I eat them. I would eat them.
What if you had 10 pounds of crab legs?
Oh, Lord, I'd be in crab leg heaven. You know I love some seafood.
The only
Look, that's where y'all should take me for my birthday.
Where to?
Lucky Village?
Yeah, they don't sell no crab legs nowhere around here. Don't do it.
Brother Church ain't do it. Nope.
Nope. You don't know nowhere in Monroe?
That's my daddy. He probably knows somewhere.
Boom. Oh, nipple. Oh.
I want me some good crab legs. They're seasoned real good with that garlic butter and stuff. That's why I really want. I want some crab, some good crab legs.
Yummy.
I know it gotta be one somewhere in Monroe or West Monroe. But y'all ain't never been in there. No, you don't. Boy, you know what you missing. Okay, we gonna get out here. Jada, cause you must be full. You gonna say that for later though, cause I ain't finna get back in this kitchen. Thank you everybody for watching. If you still here, please like and subscribe to the channel. We been very consistent on doing videos because we like doing videos, don't we, Jada? So please just like and subscribe and comment and let us know how you like our video, and then let us know what else you want us to eat or whatever, and we'll do it, won't we, Jada? Or I'll do it. You see, I will. I ain't all picky and stuff. So, but thank you for watching, and come back again. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.